This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Corey Cannon. Amazing 3-bedroom 2-bath split plan in desirable Votaw Village located in the booming city of Apopka. Homes in this neighborhood don't stay on the market long. Open floor plan with high vaulted ceilings in the main living area. Huge rear screened back patio with privacy fenced rear yard. Recent upgrades include interior/exterior painting, garage floor painting, vinyl and laminate flooring, ceiling fans and newer air conditioner system. Great room plan with a kitchen/living room combo and a breakfast bar. Great curb appeal and a large 2-car garage. Inside laundry room. All appliances including a new over-the-counter microwave. Very well maintained home. Makes this your next home. Easy showings. For more information, review the details below or contact Corey Cannon at 407-876-2090.